beating up over the thing to remember. The scene starts to tumble to the sound of the drums. Oh boy, there ain't no need to buy the time. It ain't no big thing, just show her and it's all.
First, put the garlic, salad, and candle nuts into the blender. Then, add little water. Boil the water until it boils. Second, boil the noodles until cooked, then remove from head. Add the egg and stir. Add the ground spices and stir it. Then stir until it's the storage. Coba and the mustard green and stir until evenly mixed. And immediately add the subject and stir until evenly mixed. Once done, add the noodle and stir again until evenly mixed. Add chili, stir again. Then add the soy sauce too. Add chili sauce. Then stir until evenly mixed. Add the salt, then stir. Add the stock powder and stir again.
When it's finished, it's ready to serve.